Hey everybody, this is a 2005 Suburban, and I'm going to talk through how to install one of these guys. Let me open this up. This is off of Amazon. Port that will give me 2 USB ports. Nope, goes that way. And there we go, it has just 2 wires there to connect. And I could replace the factory 12 volt plug with this, but I would rather hide this inside of the console. I've already run an auxiliary port to run audio, so I'm going to add some power in here. And the nice thing about this, if you can see this, here is there's actually a little gap right here, so cords can come out nicely. So once you have this, a cord plugged in, you can run the cord out here to your phone, set your phone there or there. I like that better. That way, whenever I'm done, I can just hide the cord back in the center console, as opposed to if I had it plugged in here, then the wire's hanging out. I just don't like that. It's not as clean as hiding it inside the console. So the first step here is to grab this. So I'm going to take the 2 wires that run this 12 volt plug, and I'm going to connect them to this guy, and then I'm going to mount this inside here. So to get this center thing out so I can get to the wires here, you actually just pull this out. I've already done it, so it's comes out real easy, but just give it a good tug, and you'll see that it's got these clips here, right there, like that metal one, and one on the other side to hold it in. So very easy, just pull, and you can see the tabs that are holding it in there and over here, if you can see that right there. Alright, so now I've got my wires exposed. So now, in this case, I think I'm just going to tap into these 2 wires, solder some 2 wires to that. Then I'm going to run the wire down through here and underneath here, which this also. Let's set that over there. Actually, I'll just set it back in. This guy, same thing. If you just pull up on this, it will pop right out. See? Just like that. There we go. So it's just held in through a little bit of pressure from these guys. So just give it a good tug. And so now I can run my wire from back underneath here, and then I can drill a hole in the plastic and get into the console. So it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so I'm going to pull this out and solder some wires to it. A couple of things I wanted to mention about this particular USB charger socket, and there's a ton on Amazon. What I liked about this one was, one nice thing is it includes some wire for you to use, and it includes these connectors, which is nice. It also has the ability to detect, what amperage and voltage you need to use coming out of this thing, so it seemed to be pretty intelligent and work with a lot of devices. The other thing I liked about this one was that it did not have any LED light either coming out of the socket or on the face of it. Most of the other ones that I saw had lights. I just didn't like that. I don't want extra light inside the cab of the pickup or the Suburban, so I just wanted one without LEDs. So this is one of the few that had no lights on it, which is what I preferred. Alright, I've got my soldering kit. I'm gonna solder these wires. I got it warming up. I just got this little kit actually. It's been great. It's got kind of everything you need to solder. Your solder, some extra wire, and the little stand and everything. Been a great little kit. Next step is going to be, I've got some wire here. I'm going to strip it all down with my wire strippers and get it ready to solder. I'm just going to solder the wire over here. So we pulled this out, right? I'm going to cut these wires. I'm going to solder on a couple wires to it, and then I'm going to run that wire down to my USB port. I have the wires soldered here. See if I can show you that. So it just spliced into the red one, cut it, and then twisted in the new red wire. Did the same for the black. I have the wires done here. I've got the wire sticking out here, and I've just drilled my hole. It's not quite big enough for this to fit through, so now I'm going to get the Dremel. This is a 1-inch hole, and it wasn't quite big enough for this, so I sanded it out a little bit, but now I'm going to take the Dremel and widen that just a little bit so this can fit through, and then I'll just need to solder the wires on, and we'll be good. And here it is installed. A little bit of dremeling, and we're able to get it to fit in there. And if we look on the back side, see, I just need to attach the 2 wires there. You just, there's a ring around it, if you can see it, that little plastic ring there, and you just tighten that, and it tightens it. Fits really good. I have the dash put back together, this popped in, pop this in, attach my wires, and now all I need to do is plug in my phone. Just plug in your USB adapter to either of the outlets, and I just tested it and it works, which I can't show you because I'm using my phone to do this video, but plug it into your phone, you're good to go. And next to it here I have an aux auxiliary stereo input. I just added as well. I may do another video to show how that's done. So what I like about having everything in here is when I'm done, I can unplug everything. Oop, knocked over my light. I can unplug my phone from charging or from the stereo, close my console, and you can't see any, any mess up here, which I like. Hope you found that helpful, guys. Sorry it's kind of dark on this video. It's nighttime now that I'm finishing up, so be sure and like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. I'll have a lot more videos coming on this 2005 Suburban as I make changes and do upgrades and fix things. So if you have a 2005 Suburban, hopefully you'll find some of these helpful. All right, thanks.